and welcome everyone. This is Rupinder Pal Singh, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D map of any location that you want by using just QGIS. Alright, let's start. Alright, to make a 3D map of any location in QGIS, you need to install these three plugins in your QGIS application. To do that, go to plugins, click on manage and install plugins. So after a few seconds, this window will appear on your screen. In here, search the name of the plugin, which is HCMGIS. Alright, click on the plugin, click on install plugin button, which will appear here. And after clicking, it will install the plugin into QGIS automatically. You don't have to do anything else. After clicking this button, the next plugin that you need to install is Lat Lon Tool, as in latitude and longitude tools. Click on it, install the plugin, and then the third plugin is Open Topography's DEM downloader, and to do that, search DEM and look for Open Topography DEM downloader. Install this plugin, and that's pretty much it. Before that, you need to make sure that this little box is ticked for the tools that you are going to be using. Otherwise, if it's unticked, QGIS won't load the toolbar into the workspace, so make sure it's always ticked. Alright, close it, start a new project, and first we need to make a base layer. So by using HCMGIS plugin, I'm gonna create a new layer of satellite. Alright, so as you can see, base layer of Google satellite image is been made by using this plugin. And by using this, you can zoom into the location, any location, if you know where it is, or otherwise you can go to Google Maps, type in the location that you're interested in, and right click on Google Map, copy the coordinates, go back to your QGIS and go to plugins, use the Lat Lon tool, click on zoom to a coordinate toolbar. This toolbar will appear, and paste the coordinate into this bar and press enter. So a cursor will appear on the overall map, and you can follow the cursor to your location, which makes it easier to find any location in QGIS while you're using this. And this cursor will stay on until you click on clear marker button. So the next step is to generate a DEM from this image. So before doing that, we need to download a high-res image of this area. And to do that, all we need to do is go to new print layout, type in a new name for your file. I'm gonna create test, go to add map, make a big box as much as you can. So with this, or the next step is exporting this as an image. go to layout, click on export as image, close this box, go to the location where you want to save your image to, select the image type file as TIFF, type in the name for your file, click save, and in this image export option, what you need to do is type in 700 dpi, which is near to the maximum downloadable resolution from Google imagery system. And after that, make sure you have selected generate world file option, click on save. It will take a few seconds as this image is 700 dpi and it may take a little longer as well. After that, close this window, go to the location of your file that you have just saved, and click and drag on your workspace. Alright, now you can simply delete your base layer. Now with this image, I'm gonna make DEM from this image. To do that, go to raster, go to open topography DEM downloader, change this to 30 meters, select use current map canvas, and it will also ask for an API key to generate you need to have an API key to use this plugin. To do that, all you need to do is create an account with Open Topography. Open Topography. Go to opentopography.org. Click on after creating an account with them. Click on request an API key. It will generate your API key. You can simply copy the key from here and paste it on where it's asking for an API key. So paste and press run. It will take a few seconds. When it's done, a new layer will appear here. Alright, so that's done, and we can close this one. Alright, and now what we need to do is create a HillShade from this image. Go to rasters, analyze, and go to HillShade option. In here, before that, we need to set a coordinate system for our workspace. So right click anywhere on the workspace, set coordinate system, and select the coordinate system that you want to work in. I'm gonna select GDA 2020, MGA zone 55, click OK. And after that, go to raster, analysis, HillShade, change the Z factor to 0.0004 and press run. Alright, it will create another layer for your location, and all I'm gonna do is double click on this layer and make little changes. So little less contrast, zoom into bilinear, click on apply and click OK. Yep. Alright, that's much better. Now what I'm gonna do is make a 3D view out of this. Alright, to do that, go to view, go to 3D maps view, click on new 3D maps view. A new window will open. Get this as big as you can. Now click on options, go to configure, and in terrain option change the type to DEM raster file, and in elevation select your original DEM file, click it, and to exaggerate the 3D view I'm gonna change the scale to 2 and press enter. Alright, now what you need to do is press shift on your keyboard and with your left mouse button key move your map as you can see it has created a 3D map of your location. Alright, now what you can do is you can also overlay your satellite image over it. So close this window, move your satellite image over on other layers. Follow the steps that we have done before to create a new 3D view. Yep, that's much better. All right, yeah, that's how you can create a 3D map of any location that you want by using just QGIS. And you can also overlay your shape files on it as well. That's an application. Yeah. So yeah, you can also overlay shape files over on your 3D view as well. So